Video now dominates over 70% of all web traffic. This means if you want to reach people online, you now have to create videos. The problem is traditional video creation is a painfully slow decision-making marathon. Did you know that producing a short 5-minute video using a typical editor, you'll have to make over 20,000 repetitive decisions about images, animations, footage, fonts, colors, layouts, timing, transitions, alignment, audio levels, and music, just to name a few. Each decision may only take a few seconds, but making thousands of them in a row quickly blows out into days of tedious work. And it's exhausting. With Content Samurai, video creation is fast. Using intelligent image, audio, and text processing technology, Content Samurai automates 95% of the editing decisions that make video creation so tiresome. Starting with a script, Content Samurai builds your visuals in seconds, analyzes each sentence, and suggests images for you, adding them to your video with the click of a button. Upload a voiceover, select a music track, and you're done. Then, like magic, Content Samurai analyzes your voiceover, your visuals, your script, your music, and syncs them all perfectly together to produce a gorgeous professional video. Video creation has never been this easy before. Plus, you have all the controls to fine-tune your video if you want. Customize your theme, change a layout, add full motion footage. You can even tweak the timing of each section with ease. It's the power of a professional timeline editor with the simplicity of a mobile app. You simply won't believe how quick and easy it is to create videos with Content Samurai until you've tried it. So give Content Samurai a try today. It's free.